I have a lot of clothes. When I was cleaning this out, I didn't really realize how much I had, but I have a lot of clothes. I am ashamed to say that I don't wear all of them, or I don't wear all of them to their fullest potential, or I just wear something and I just wear it. You know, like I don't accessorize, I don't personalize it. I just put something on and I'm like, that's good. As someone who has a very busy schedule, like going to school, doing after school stuff, I don't really have a lot of time to think of outfits. I mean, I do, but I don't use that energy. Lately, I've been watching more YouTube videos on fashion. Ash Callum, I love her videos. I love British people, they're so cool, but her videos are very good, very insightful. And another guy, his name is Drew Joyner. I don't know if I said it correct, but he's also really good with fashion stuff. I love fashion, but I don't know what to wear in the mornings. My closet has accumulated so much stuff that I don't even know what to have in here. So today what we're gonna do is we are gonna clean out my closet. We're gonna organize everything. If I haven't worn it in the past couple months, except if it was like summer stuff, it's gonna be gone. I'm either gonna sell it or I'm gonna donate it. I have not gone through my closet in a couple months, so we're gonna find some interesting stuff. Usually to school I wear jeans and a nice top, or like jeans and a hoodie. I'm not saying that I'm better than anyone else just because I'm wearing jeans. If you're wearing leggings, that's okay. That's your style. I'm talking a lot. My throat is gonna die. We're gonna go through everything, see what we like, see what we don't like. If I'm hesitant about it, it's gonna be gone. Unless I love it right away, I'm gonna get rid of it. We can do this. Okay, the first thing we're gonna start off with is hangers. I have a lot of stuff that's on hangers right now. I have it all color coordinated. I kind of know what's here, but at the same time, with like black stuff and all this neutral stuff, I don't fully look at it just because it kind of gets shoved to the side. But let's look at this. Okay, so this is currently the keep pile. It looks absolutely ginormous, but this is also the giveaway pile, which is pretty good. And then this is kind of my, oh my gosh, my cat. Anyways, this is my trial section. I have to figure out an outfit with this stuff, and if I can't, I'm gonna give it away just because I have not worn these in a while, so I need to figure out stuff with that. Also, I'm gonna try to sell some of this stuff. I'm gonna use the Curtsy app, and if it doesn't sell within a week or something like that, then I'm gonna donate it. My cat says hello. This is Betty. She makes sure that all of my hoodies have black cat fur on them. Like, now this has cat fur on it too. Look at all these hangers that magically appeared. Wow, now I actually have some to use. Why are you eating the chair? Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys what the closet looks like now. Here she is. It's color coordinated again, but it doesn't really look like it because there are so many neutrals. We have my Ferrari jacket here, which I'm never, ever letting go of. And then the things that I need to make an outfit out of. Oh my god, that's making so much noise. Okay, and now we have all, like, everything else, all my other stuff. Okay, the next order of business is tops. So I'm gonna do different sections. I'm gonna do like regular t-shirts, tank tops, and then I'm gonna do long sleeve tops. I have a lot of these shirts and I don't wear a lot of them. I have been investing more in basics. Garage does have a lot of good basics. Like, it's really cool colors, just a bunch of basics. It's really good. I just had lunch, so if I'm more energized, it's because I chugged a Coke. The reason why I'm talking more is because I just chugged a Coke can. While I was eating, I was thinking about the different people who I kind of look up to with style and who inspire me. Like, when I'm scrolling on Pinterest and I see an outfit from them, I'm like, I'm gonna take inspiration from that. Those people are like Kate Moss, Kendall Jenner, Lana Del Rey. I love a good blue jeans, white shirt moment. My fam, she's a YouTuber, she's amazing. Sabrina Carpenter. Who else? I also really like Hailey Bieber. I like her like casual style. It's really nice. This top is so wrinkled. Anyways, but I just like them. And then some brands that I really like are Garage. Their basics are nice and they do have some cute stuff every now and then. I also like Hollister. Hollister, So I love them a lot. Free People, I recently looked at some of their stuff, which is pretty good. Urban Outfitters, that's kind of like a so-so. The quality can sometimes not be the greatest, and they are kind of fast fashion, but they do have some good stuff every now and then. Oh, look how wrinkled this is. What other brands do I like? I have shopped at H&M. H&M is kind of okay. The quality is just so bad. A lot of their stuff is see-through, but I do like some of Formula One and car stuff. Like, I have this H&M, the men's section, and then I cut off the collar, what's it called? I'm just gonna say collar. I also like Brandy for basics too. They have good basics. Some designer brands that I like is Miu Miu. I really like Miu Miu. They have cool stuff. Very, very trendy stuff, but not trendy. Like, you know, the Miu Miu glasses, those are trendy. The Miu Miu bags that are trendy, and the charms, like, their runways have been eating so hard. Like, I love watching Miu Miu runways. They always have really good stuff. I'm struggling on how to figure out how to fold this. I also like looking on Depop every now and then. Depop is good stuff. Etsy has good stuff. This hoodie is from Etsy. On the back, it's like little cherubs and it says love and life. Can you see? I love hoodies with backs. Shoes, I don't really have any shoes. I rotate my New Balance 411s, Converse. I actually haven't worn my white Converse in forever, but white Converse, and then I also have black Adidas Sambas. And while it is okay to just have 3 pairs of shoes, I have been eyeballing the Puma Speed Cats in pink. They're so cute, and I'm gonna save up for them. They're just so cute. I like it. If you don't know me, I'm a huge Formula One fan, and Puma Speed Cats have been seen a lot throughout the paddock. A lot of my shirts have like deodorant stains, but I like to think that I can sew, but my sewing machine likes to give out on me a lot. So I'm gonna try and figure out ways to save these shirts, because this is cute. You know, it says Sicily Italia, and it has little oranges on it, and this one has a piece of artwork, so I kind of want to save this one too. I really like baby tees this summer. With the rise of brat summer, they were like everywhere. This shirt is so wrinkled too. Maybe I should start hanging my shirts up, and then I'll have more room for stuff. I absolutely love this top. It's so cute. It's so girly and aesthetic, but it does not stretch, and I have gotten stuck in this shirt like 4 times. Once it was so bad that I was highly considering cutting it off of me. Whenever I put it on, I'm struggling to get it off. I feel like I'm about to dislocate my shoulder. I'm like sweating. I'm like, can I get out of the shirt? Which is quite sad because it is a very pretty shirt. I can't wear this. Okay, it may not seem like I'm giving away a lot, but it's still something. Next is tank tops and stuff like that. This is so cute. I bought it at the end of summer, so I wasn't able to wear it a lot, but I love baby doll tops. They're just so flowy and so summery. I am going to Hungary this summer for summer camp, which I'm so excited for because there's gonna be go-karting. It's not a motorsport summer camp, but I'm definitely gonna bring this. I also like Aeropostale, but some of the quality is just not the best. Like, this is from Aero and it's kind of falling apart at the straps. Garage also has really good simple tank tops. Like, this is from Garage. It's really thick, and I did order a size down, and it really like I'm snatched in it. This is also from Garage. I've had it for maybe 3 to 2 years, and she's still holding up. Also, a lot of the clothes I have, I've had them for years, like years and years. I look like I go shopping a lot, but I don't really buy a lot, and I'm really conscious of what I buy. And I'm thinking, like, will I wear this in the future? How many times will I wear this? What kind of stuff can I wear this with? And all that stuff. So I am very thoughtful of what I buy, how I buy it, where I buy, etc, etc. Last for tops is long sleeve tops. This is from Brandy. I really like this. I really like off the shoulder tops. This is cute, and it's not like, it's good. I like it. Bro, can I like even talk right now? Cute. I got this one in a German store. I think it was like TK Maxx, which is like German version of TJ Maxx. I don't know, but it's giving Brandy Melville. It's very cute. Finally, I got the tops done. Probably gonna iron most of these and then hang them up, because now I have a lot of hangers to use. This is how it's currently looking. It looks a little messy, but I like know where everything is, and it's kind of color coordinated. I realize it's pretty cool. Like there's like a light, a dark, a light, a dark, and a dark, a light with the colors I have with my top. And then I also have my long sleeve, my baggier tops, and then just some basic other stuff here. Okay, now we have pants and bottoms. I have a lot of stuff that's just been sitting here. I usually wear these jeans on rotation. I have dark wash low rise baggy from Hollister, the same pants but light wash, and then low rise flares from Hollister too. And then I sewed the ribbon and the lace just because, you know, just to add some flair. I really like it. Oh, also, I also have these low-rise flares from Aeropostale, but they are getting a little short, sadly. They're so cute. They're like double buttoned and I like them, and their pockets are so cute too. But yeah, they're just getting a little too short, sadly. They are getting donated. Keeping these though, I have a lot of sweatpants that are the exact same. These are too short. We have jorts. I bought these at the very end of summer last year. Yeah, last year. I'm definitely gonna wear them again next year. I like them. It's kind of difficult to style them. Actually, no, it's not. It's not I don't know what I'm saying. It's not difficult to style them. These are really cool. They're very statement-y. This skirt is so cute. If you ever need any skirts or dresses, go to Hollister, because look, it has pockets and it also has shorts. They're amazing. Brandy Melville has really good sweatpants and basics. I think I mentioned it earlier, but they have good sweatpants, hoodies, sweatshirts, and other basics like that. Looking at this, I have no shorts. Those are my only pairs of shorts. I do have 3 skirts, parachutes pants, and then 3 pairs of jeans, also 2 sweatpants, and I do have leggings, but they're in the laundry machine. I'll probably buy shorts when it's warmer outside because it's still winter time. I do want to get skirts, like this type of skirt, kind of denim skirts, because they're so cute. Probably with the shorts, I'll also get them during springtime. This is the current pile of all the stuff that I'm either gonna sell or donate. I'm just gonna go through everything to see if there's anything I want to keep, if it's sellable, or if I'm just gonna donate it. This is going to be the sell pile, this is going to be the donate pile, and this is going to be the keep pile. I probably mentioned earlier, but I'm going to use Curtsy to sell my stuff, and I'm just going to go to the thrift store closest to me to donate all of this. Okay, so it's a little bit while later, and when I tell you, my outfits have been eating. They've been eating so hard because I'm actually like thinking about my outfits and being like, this is good, this is good, this is good, you know? So if you feel like you don't have any clothes, get rid of most of them. And then you'll like realize like that doesn't really make sense, but like it makes sense. Also, thank you so much for watching. Like, thanks. I think this is probably one of the longest videos on my YouTube channel, which is funny because this video is not very long. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope this gives you inspiration to clean your closet or just clean your room in general. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Mwah.